Welcome to another episode of Bo's Real Estate Buzz, where top producing real estate agents learn proven secrets for success. This episode is brought to you by Bo Jang from Dominion Lending Casa Mortgage, the #1 mortgage choice for Canadian home buyers. Now here's your Real Estate Buzz.
Real estate marketing sin number 4 is not marketing to your client database. Most realtors believe, either consciously or unconsciously, that once you close the deal and the client walks out the door, then the deed is done and you just move on to the next prospect, right? What they don't realize is that their next prospect might have just walked out the door. It's almost as if their mindset is, my client just bought or sold their home through me. They're not going to buy or sell again anytime soon. So why waste my time or money on them? Let's find a new prospect. Most realtors tend to be hunters instead of harvesters. Top producers, on the other hand, understand the importance of both. They understand that a new customer typically costs 5 to 10 times more than a repeat customer. That's why they focus on getting 60 to 70% of their business from their existing client database through referrals and repeat business, and you should too. In your marketing plan, consider implementing client appreciation events, after closing thank you gifts, birthday calls and cards, and perhaps most powerful of all, monthly direct mail client newsletters, and perhaps even monthly market update emails. Can you see how database marketing systems like this can help you boost your repeat and referral business? As an added value service, we can provide you with fresh, sizzling hot content for your monthly client newsletters, as well as birthday calling scripts and a whole lot more. For more information on how we can help you grow your business, call us today.
Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Bo's Real Estate Buzz. If you have any questions or comments, please call Bo today at 604-786-2788.